So, my dear student, in our last video, we have interface LCD display with the temperature sensor. So, just right now, we can start the simulation and we can visualize the result. See, this is the result. Temperature 24.92, technical project underscore BM. Already I have discussed in our previous video. So today I am not going to detail discussion here. But the today's aim is we'll use one more sensor, that is ultrasonic sensor, with this temperature sensor. So that means combinedly I will show you today how to use, how to apply simultaneously more than one sensor. So for that, stop the simulation, and now I am moving to the previous one more project, that is the distance measurement using ultrasonic sensor. Now see, if you run this program, it will also operate. So if we change this, so see this code, serial monitor, see, this is working. Okay, so this is also working. So here we'll use few codes. Okay, so we'll use here codes. So blocks text plus code. So this is our code for ultrasonic sensor. This code now will use. Okay, this code now we are going to use. Okay, so come to this point, find out the codes here. See, this is the code. Okay, so already these two programs already I have discussed. Now these two programs, my aim is just to combine these two programs today. Okay. So before that, before making the coding portion, so you have to design the circuit. Okay. You have to design the circuit. Okay. So for that you take ultrasonic sensor. Already you know that this is ultrasonic sensor. So I am placing it here. Okay, I am placing it here. Okay, and already I have discussed what is the function of the these four pins of ultrasonic sensor. So I am not discussing here today. If you have any doubt, you just follow the previous video. So this is VCC. So connect this with VCC, change the color as I mentioned you, plus VCC should be red color. This is ground potential, so make it black color. Okay, now देखो यहाँ पे, now we have two more pins, trigger pins and echo pins. That two pins you have to connect. Okay, that two pins you have to connect with some pins, digital pins of the Arduino. So trigger pin, so make this connection. I'm connecting with 10 number pin. Okay, change the color here, it may be pink. Okay, now echo pin, similarly that pin connected with 9, change the color for the understanding, better understanding. So circuit is completed. Okay, now come to the coding part. So this is our code for temperature sensor as well as our LCD screen. Now we're moving for some coding here. This is the code for your ultrasonic sensor. INT US 0. So for that you take this Control C. Now come here. You have to use this. You have to declare it as global variable. You have to declare US as global variable. Okay. So for that, you have to keep at the beginning of the programming. So that's why you keep it at the beginning of the program. You can place it here. Okay. Now see this. This is your void setup. So before void setup, you have to place this program. Okay. So place this program up to this. Control C. Now have to place void setup separate. So just enter and place it. I have placed it. Okay. Now again come here. Void setup. So as you are going to print something in the serial monitor, so that's why that you have to take it. Serial.begin, which is the baud rate you have to declare 9600. So that is your within the void setup. Okay. So that is within the void setup. So you can take it here also. Completed. Now come the void loop portion. The void loop portion, see, this is the conversion formula from temperature to from the signal which is received by echo and trigger pin, that is converted into the distance. So take this pin. So I have to change 5 and 6 trigger and echo pin. Here I have used different pins. Okay, so that you have to remember. Don't forget to change. Now see where it is void loop. So void loop. After temperature, you can place it this formula also control V. And now you have to change. This is not 5 6. This is your basically see. This is your 10 and 9. So trigger is 10. Trigger is at 10 and echo pin is at 9. So that you have to change. So I have changed this. I have changed this. And this is for your LED glowing. I am not using LED glows here. So now you can use this delay part end of the programming. While loop so now code is completed. Circuit also completed. Now start the simulation. Okay, you have to use one more thing here. Because you want to observe the data. So for that you have to know that output print serial monitor. Okay. So this is serial monitor. That is serial.println US. That you have to use. Otherwise you can't observe this. Please see carefully. While loop, within the while loop, US is means distance is stored within the US. Now you are going to visualize it, you observe it. You want to print within the serial monitor. Okay, so that's why you have to use serial.println US, which is in the equivalent block code is block within block print to serial monitor. You have to US hoga. Okay, so that's why you have to copy it to observe the value within while loop. So you can place it here. Now run the program. See, beautiful project is presented here. Both the sensors working nicely. See, if you change the distance, so this value also changes. So that means it measures the distance. With that, you can change the temperature also. So both the sensors working here nicely. So you can use few more sensor here. You can use peer sensor also. So for better understanding, in the next video, I will add one more sensor here. That is PI sensor. So till now, we have done individually three sensors using temperature sensor. First one, second one is your ultrasonic sensor, third one was your PI sensor. Today I am discussed how to use simultaneously ultrasonic sensor and temperature sensor simultaneously, and how you are changing the coding. If you know the project, individual project and individual coding, so you can easily combine the codes. So I have shown here, my aim is to show how to combine multiple programs, how to use codes simultaneously. So I think this is clear to you. If you have any doubt, you can mention your queries in our YouTube channel. Definitely in the next class, I will take all those queries. So hope you will enjoy the video, and you like it, you share the videos, and please subscribe. Okay. So thank you very much.